Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify heat maps in Crazy Egg for content improvements, beginner guide step by step clearly. To verify heat maps in Crazy Egg, start by logging into your Crazy Egg account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Select the project you want to analyze. Click on the Heat Maps tab on the left-hand menu. Choose the specific page for which you want to create a heat map. Select the type of heat map you want to generate, click, scroll, or grid. For a click heat map, ensure the URL is correct, then click Generate Heat Map. Wait for the heat map to process, this may take a few moments. Once processed, review the heat map overlay on your page. Look for areas with high click activity represented by warmer colors. Identify sections with low engagement shown by cooler colors. For a scroll heat map, repeat the process by selecting scroll and generating the heat map. Observe the scroll depth to see how far down users are reading. Note the percentage of viewers reaching key sections of your content. Analyze user behavior. Are users dropping off before important points? Take screenshots for reference if needed. Use insights from the heat maps to identify content improvement opportunities. Consider adjusting your design or content placement based on user engagement patterns. Make a plan to test different layouts or content strategies. Finally, monitor the changes you implement with new heat maps for ongoing improvements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.